This is an Audi A1. Dashcam is Nextbase, front and rear, installed by Halfords. We're here today to do a removal and put a Viofo in its place. And I just have to share this because I'm quite shocked. The front was done okay, which was surprising. But it's when you come to the back of the car that I get shocked. There's your rear camera. That's fine, no problem. But then this. That's the rear camera cable. The seal has been cut. And the roof liner is cut. Now, you got a rubber grommet here. You got a rubber grommet here. And plenty of space to run a wire. But you do that. But that is probably the most shocking. Same car, I did the removal, installed by Halfords. Done with cut. This is the new camera in. Wire going behind the panel, into the rubber grommet, and away with fairies. The difference.